This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Collins Hendrickson Jr. Welcome to the Overlook at Parkside Condominium. This is a beautiful, well-maintained, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath unit. Property offers a spacious floor plan, laminate flooring and tiles throughout. The kitchen has all-wood cabinetry, stainless steel appliances and plenty of storage with inside laundry closet for your convenience. Lots of guest parking with a 2-car garage. Monthly HOA includes cable, internet, lawn maintenance, trash removal and a community pool. Great location, 30 minutes or less to downtown Orlando, attractions, fine dining, and shopping. Quick northern sprint and you're in Mount Dora and all of what beautiful Lake County has to offer. This unit will not last long. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below.